Marbek Benden Soto Senador from BSMAR A1D, and I would like to present this project. I would like to talk about the Berlos model communication. First, we need to know the background for who is Berlo. Before the discussion, we need to know about the inventor of this mode of communication. So this is David Kenneth Berlo. He was an American communication theorist and he wrote a book called The Process of Communication. The book in which postulated the SMCR or sender message channel receiver model derived from Shannon Weaver's model of communication 1949 considers the emotional aspect of the message and includes verbal and nonverbal communication. Since we already discussed about the background of David Kenneth Berlo, so we're gonna talk about now the SMCR model of communication. Here is the Berlo's SMCR model of communication. We have the source, the message, the channel, and the receiver. S stands for source sender. Transfers information of the receiver putting his or her thoughts into words. It is done with the help of communication skills, attitude, knowledge, social system, and culture. M stands for message. When an individual converts his her thoughts into words, the process is called encoding. C stands for channel, the medium of how the information flows from the sender to the receiver. The five senses are the channels which helps human beings to communicate with each other efficiently. The last one is R, stands for receiver. Tries to understand what the sender wants to convey, then responds accordingly. This process is called decoding. Thank you so much for watching the video. Now you understand in one of the four communication models, the David Berlos model of communication. Goodbye. See you soon.